8 divided by parenthesis 2 plus 2 parenthesis 2. Try to solve this easy math and comment your answer to get feature here. These are top commenters, and if you don't want to solve, I will solve for you. Okay, so don't worry, I will solve with the help of PEMDAS. Okay, so here we have 8 divided by parenthesis 2 plus 2. So according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. First we have to operate this parenthesis part. So we will solve this parenthesis, that is 2 plus 2, which equals to 4. So we can put the value 4 on the place of this parenthesis. So we will rewrite our math problem here. 8 divided by 4. This is nothing but multiplication, like this. Now 8 divided by 4 times 2, that is 8, and 8 divided by 8, which equals to 1. Do you think this is the right answer? No, this is not the right answer. Up to this step, this is the corrected way. So we will write here like this step again and solve it correctly. Now we have two operations, that is division and multiplication. Both have the same priority, like multiplication and division have the same priority, and I have to operate left to right on this case. So we will operate left to right. Okay, so here from left we have this division operation, and when we operate this 8 divided by 4, we will get 2 as answer. So we will simply write 2 on the place of this and rewrite times 2, and 2 times 2, that is simple, that is 4. So here right answer is 4, not 1. And if you're serious, then must check out our best Amazon product for you in the description. All Amazon products are Amazon affiliate, which if you buy from these links, this will give me little help for my channel. And like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.